Shit.
You getting shot at?
Yeah, they're far. I'm good. Boosting up. Dude, we got the zone. Look at that. Holy shit. We
Where
got
are
the wall
these
to our
guys?
left. They were maybe 80, maybe 100 in the town.
Oh, and the town's out of the zone, though. Oh, I see a guy coming to our mountain.
Where at?
I think I get him. Nah, he's 100 degrees straight down the hill. He's beneath that first ridge. 100 degrees straight down the hill. There he is.
Nice.
Where am I getting shot from now?
I got one kill. I'm so fucking low, dude.
Is he still behind the rock?
I'm good. I'm good.
This is a
We need to
great
push.
spot.
We need to push like... got 30 second stops.
There he is on the rock again. Dude, they're just...
Alright, don't peek too much. Don't peek too much. I need to find a new helmet. Like right now.
Ah, fuck.
Suppressor sniper rifle. I'll grab it for you. Come towards me, man. Got a suppressor for you.
Dude, I'm good. Let's just go.
Go, go, go. Take it, take it. Could be a game-winning thing. It's the same guys. The same guys.
Is it? This
Yeah,
is
I think
duos,
so.
so it's 2v2v1.
One alone. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I see them. They're northwest directly. Dude, we need. Get.
Are they still on that big rock?
Come with me. Come with me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't stand still. Just come with me. Let's take the best spot possible.
Okay.
I'm out of words. Oh shit.
Is there a guy right here?
He's behind the rock right in front of me.
This close one?
Yeah, 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 yeah. It's the solo guy.
He's dead.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead.
They wanted that kill. I see him up by the tree on the left. 260.
I see them.
Hit one. Hit one. 2v1 right now. There he is. Same spot. Same spot.
He's hit bad. He's hit bad.
Yeah.
Nice.